Few kitchen appliances are as instantly recognizable or as coveted as the KitchenAid Artisan Tilt Head Mixer. With its iconic, timeless, and elegant design, this onyx black beauty isn't just a tool, it's a statement piece. The smooth, rounded body is easy to clean, while the tilt head design makes adding ingredients and changing attachments quick and effortless. At the heart of this mixer is its single multi-purpose attachment hub, which opens the door to a world of possibilities. From pasta rollers to spiralizers, meat grinders to ice cream makers, an entire universe of optional attachments can transform your mixer into a true culinary powerhouse. Performance is where the Artisan really shines. Engineered for both small and large batches, it delivers consistent, powerful mixing with no power loss between the motor and attachments. The 4.8-liter stainless steel bowl can handle up to 1 kilogram of flour, perfect for baking multiple loaves of bread, large cakes, or big batches of cookie dough. The full metal construction ensures this mixer isn't just beautiful, but built to last. It's robust, stable, and durable, with the confidence of a 5-year guarantee. Whether it's whipping cream, kneading heavy dough, or folding delicate batters, this mixer feels solid and secure, even at high speeds. Its original planetary mixing action ensures that every ingredient is evenly incorporated. The beater rotates in one direction, while the shaft turns in the opposite, reaching every part of the bowl for thorough, efficient mixing. The result? Perfectly blended doughs, batters, and creams every time. And while its performance is professional grade, its operation remains approachable. The tilt head mechanism allows for quick access to the bowl, and the smooth surfaces make cleaning as easy as wiping it down. Beyond its capabilities, the Artisan is also a design classic, available in a variety of colors, but particularly striking in onyx black, which adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. The KitchenAid Artisan Tilt Head 4.8L Mixer is more than just a mixer. It's an investment in creativity, efficiency, and quality. For passionate bakers, adventurous home cooks, and anyone who values both form and function, it's the ultimate kitchen companion. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.